the Horn of Plenty. Baby Zeus is hiding from his father Kronos in a cave. In Crete, a special goat, Amalthea, visits Zeus. And feeds him with her milk. Zeus grows up. He is very strong. One day, he breaks one of Amalthea's horns by mistake. The magic horn is always full of fruit and vegetables. It can never be empty. Now Zeus has plenty to eat, thanks to Amalthea's horn. Today, people call the Horn of Plenty. In the USA, people put a horn-shaped basket full of fruit and flowers on the table for Thanksgiving Day.